Hi everyone, I'm Steve Eaton, the Global Engineering New Product Development Lead for the Next Generation R-Series 200-250 kilowatt program. I will be focusing on some of the new features that relate to improvements in serviceability, efficiency and reliability. This new model significantly improves serviceability and reduces maintenance costs, meaning not only are you touching the machine less often, you're doing it for a shorter period of time. We've doubled the change interval for the principal consumables, and Ultra EL lubricant now comes as factory standard. The all-new enclosure has the benefit of hinge doors, and with removable hinge pins and integrated door handles, it's even easier to gain access to the machine's interior. The enclosure also features a washable panel and pre-filtration system. These pre-filters help extend the life of the principal consumables and keep debris out of the package. The heat exchangers are now readily accessible and easy to clean without removing them, and the optional water-cooled units use internally mounted shell and tube heat exchangers that have been located and orientated to improve serviceability. To facilitate the all-important lubricant change, we've placed the drain plugs at the lowest level, so now it's even easier to drain the lubricant, and we've added the much appreciated swing-out separator lid function to this machine, making it quicker, easier and safer to gain access to the element. To ensure our customers are kept up and running at the lowest possible cost, Ingersoll Rand is ready to provide support with a full complement of parts and service offerings. Now let's talk about how the next generation R-Series RS250 models deliver world-class efficiency. The most important new feature of our next generation machines is the drivetrain. We're using a premium efficiency TEFC IE3 motor as the prime mover for both fixed and variable speed. Space heaters and RTD temperature monitoring protection are standard across the range. For variable speed machines, these new high-performance induction motors are specifically designed to operate with our inverter drive. The drive, in conjunction with the machine's controller, adjusts compressor flow output to achieve optimum performance under all operating conditions. Variable speed operation could save up to 35% on energy costs compared to a fixed speed machine. The next generation RS200-250 models are available with two different air end types. A new single stage air end, which has a vastly improved efficiency over the legacy range, and our new two-stage variant that pushes those gains even higher. These air ends have been redesigned from the ground up. This new design approach has delivered a state-of-the-art rotor profile that significantly minimizes leakages, resulting in a step change in efficiency. The new design uses angular contact ball bearings and enhanced lubricant distribution that further reduces frictional losses. The new two-stage air end uses two sets of rotors arranged in a stacked design. Two-stage compression distributes the work between the two air ends and is more efficient than single-stage compression. Two-stage efficiency gains are seen at full load operation and are delivered over a wider operating flow range. In order to take advantage of these new highly efficient air ends, we looked at every element of the compressed air circuit to make sure there was no compromise in performance. We separated the compressor cooling airflow and the intake air into two locations in the canopy. The separate compressor air inlet ensures that the inlet temperature is kept low before the compression process, resulting in improved efficiency. We made sure to reduce pressure drop both on suction and discharge to get every bit of performance out of the unit as possible. Combine this with variable speed option and we have an exceptionally efficient machine. There are many design improvements for the RS200-250 that serve to provide consistent, reliable air for the life of the product. The new air end design not only gives us improved efficiency, but is also more robust. We've increased the number of bearings in our air ends compared to the legacy products to lower the individual bearing load. Lubricant flow to the compression chamber and bearings is separated, so the bearing feed temperature is kept low. We've designed the starter panel to meet regional environmental requirements, ensuring that adequate protection is provided against circulating dust and dripping or splashing liquids. The new generation XE145 controller features algorithms that support protective adaptive control, also known as PAC. Essentially, PAC senses when the consumables are due for replacement or if operating temperatures are reaching design limits. In these situations, the sophisticated controls adjust the parameters to keep the machine running without overloading the motor, preventing unnecessary shutdown. This gives customers both the time to react and the flexibility to prioritize their production needs until they're back up and running at full capacity. V-Shield is now applied to these larger machines, which features the extensive use of O-ring face seal connections combined with PTFE stainless steel hoses for leak-free long life. The air-cooled machine uses a free-floating cooler system combined with radial blowers. The free-floating system allows compensation for the expansion and contraction during operation, reducing thermal stress for improved durability. Hopefully, this brief package overview has given you some important insights into the technologies and features of this truly superior machine. The new next-generation R-Series RS250 delivers world-class efficiency and performance with a focus on durability and reliability.